Hey kids! Today we're diving into the ocean to discover some of the coolest starfish out there. Are you ready? The ocean is full of amazing creatures, and starfish are some of the most interesting. Did you know that starfish aren't actually fish? They don't have gills or scales. They are called echinoderms, which means spiny skin. And if you've ever touched a starfish, you know why. Get ready to learn about 10 awesome types of starfish. This is the cushion starfish, and it looks just like its name, like a big squishy cushion. They can be all sorts of colors, red, orange, yellow, brown, like a rainbow under the sea. Cushion starfish love to hang out in coral reefs, those underwater cities full of colorful coral and even more colorful fish. Cushion starfish are pretty big too. Some of them can grow to be over a foot wide. That's bigger than a dinner plate. This is the crown of thorns starfish, and it looks a little prickly, doesn't it? That's because it's covered in sharp spines, and those spines are poisonous. It's best to admire this starfish from a distance. Even though it might look a little scary, the crown of thorns starfish is very important to the ocean. It helps keep the coral reefs healthy by eating the fastest growing coral, which gives the slower growing coral a chance to thrive. So remember, if you ever see a crown of thorns starfish, just observe it from a safe distance and appreciate its important role in the ocean. Wow! Look at this starfish! It's bright blue, just like your favorite toy! This is the blue starfish, and it's one of the most colorful starfish in the ocean. Blue starfish are super tough. They can handle living in shallow water, where the waves crash around, and they don't mind if the water gets a little warm sometimes. They're also really good at hiding. Can you spot the blue starfish hiding amongst the rocks? It blends in perfectly with its surroundings. Blue starfish are like little underwater jewels sparkling in the sunlight. Get ready to be amazed! This is the sunflower starfish, and it's the biggest starfish in the whole wide world. It can grow to be over 3 feet wide. The sunflower starfish can have up to 24 arms. Can you imagine having that many arms? You could play the drums, eat a snack, and draw a picture all at the same time. This starfish is like something out of a science fiction movie. It's a reminder that the ocean is full of amazing and strange creatures. This little guy looks like it's ready to take flight. It's called the bat starfish, and it gets its name from its webbed arms that look just like bat wings. Bat starfish are found along the Pacific coast of North America, from Alaska all the way down to Mexico. They like to hang out in rocky areas where they can find lots of yummy algae to eat. Even though they're called bat starfish, they can't actually fly, but they can move pretty fast when they want to, especially when they're chasing after food. Check out this bumpy beauty. This is the red knob sea star, and it's covered in bright red knobs that look like little jewels. This starfish is found in the warm waters of the Indian Ocean. It likes to hang out on sandy bottoms, where it blends in with the surrounding environment. The red knob sea star is a scavenger, which means it eats dead plants and animals. It plays an important role in keeping the ocean clean. This starfish looks like it's covered in chocolate chips. It's called the chocolate chip starfish, and it's one of the most popular starfish in the aquarium trade. Chocolate chip starfish are found in the Indo-Pacific region, from the Red Sea to Australia. These starfish are relatively small, only growing to be about 6 inches wide. If you ever get the chance to see a chocolate chip starfish in an aquarium, be sure to take a close look. They're even more amazing up close. This starfish feels as smooth as leather. It's called the leather starfish, and it gets its name from its smooth, leathery skin. Leather starfish are found along the Pacific coast of North America, from Alaska to California. They like to live in rocky intertidal zones, which are areas that are covered by water at high tide and exposed to air at low tide. These starfish are very tough. They can handle being exposed to air and sunlight for short periods of time. They can also tolerate a wide range of water temperatures. This starfish looks like it's covered in tiny bumps. It's called the granulated sea star, and it's found in the Indo-Pacific region. Granulated sea stars are relatively large, growing to be about 12 inches wide. They have a distinctive bumpy texture and a variety of colors, including brown, gray, and green. These starfish are nocturnal, which means they're most active at night. During the day, they hide under rocks or in crevices. This starfish is as beautiful as a starry night. It's called the Egyptian sea star, and it's found in the Red Sea and the Indian Ocean. Egyptian sea stars are relatively small, only growing to be about 4 inches wide, but they make up for their small size with their stunning colors and patterns. These starfish are often found in groups, clinging to rocks and coral. They're a favorite subject of underwater photographers. Wow! Wasn't that amazing? Starfish are so cool and come in so many different shapes and colors. We learned about the squishy cushion starfish, the prickly crown of thorns starfish, the supersized sunflower starfish, and so many more. Remember, it's important to protect our oceans and all the amazing creatures that live there. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures.